Friends, have you ever struggled to keep all your investments in one place? Stocks, ETFs, crypto. Everything scattered across different brokers can get really messy. This is where Snowball Analytics comes in, and I can't wait to show you how it works. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Managing your investments doesn't have to be stressful. Snowball Analytics brings everything together in one place, so you can see your portfolio at a glance. With this platform, you can monitor performance, track dividends, and even connect with others to swap ideas and strategies. It's like having a smart, easy-to-use command center that helps you stay in control of your holdings. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. And now, let's dive in! Friends, Snowball Analytics is a powerful platform for tracking your portfolio. If you're into stocks, ETFs, or crypto, you already know how hard it is to keep everything together. It fixes the problem by consolidating all your investments into a single, easy-to-use dashboard. One of the biggest benefits is automatic synchronization with your brokerage accounts. The tool supports over 1,000 brokers through aggregators. It also gives you detailed analytics, showing your current asset value and historical performance. You can also keep an eye on dividends, diversification, and other key metrics. Guys, another huge advantage is the community. Users can share strategies, learn from more experienced members, and stay inspired. It helps you make better money choices and actually enjoy the process. Snowball offers 4 ways to add investments. You can link a brokerage account or enter assets yourself. If you like, you can also upload a broker report or experiment with a demo version. It allows you to explore features without entering real data. Let's kick things off with the demo, friends. It is based on public portfolios, so you can see real examples of financial strategies. Just click Continue to create it. Mates, it is packed with handy features. You'll get an overview of important numbers, including total value and profit. Plus, you can keep an eye on annual yield and risk. The demo includes stocks, funds, and cash, so you can get a real feel for how a well-balanced portfolio works. First up, total value. $184,000, way more than originally invested. The growth looks healthy and steady, and it's also bringing in a nice dividend yield. There's a passive income risk metric here as well, just to keep things in check. When it comes to the breakdown, you can see the exact percentages right here on the screen. Stocks clearly take the lead, funds make up a big part of the portfolio, and commodities add some extra diversification without taking over. Guys, let's see the daily asset movement analysis. The "Why is it moving?" section shows news driving major price changes. For example, Netflix dropped 2.89%, and the platform automatically explains why based on news. Super handy to see what's affecting your capital in real time. Below, the top day gainers and top day loser sections display the best and worst performing assets of the day. On the losing side, we see Netflix, Apple, and JP Morgan. On the winning side, you'll find such names as Volkswagen, Home Depot, etc. You can explore all others too. Everything is fully viewable in the dashboard. Next, mates, let's check out events and dividends. Right at the top, you can see what's coming up. SPGI pays 96 cents per share on December 10th and Home Depot $2.30 on December 18th. Guys, it's super handy for planning your cash flow. Total expected payments are over $4,000 a year, with the biggest spike in May at over $1,000. On the right is a chart of dividends received over the last 12 months. Another one shows dividend growth year by year, 2023 to 2025, with clear peaks in May each year and January 2023. Friends, you can set a financial goal and track progress. The blue line shows projected portfolio growth with your current strategy. According to the platform, this goal could be reached in 12 years, by 2037. The purple line shows a more conservative growth scenario. At the bottom of the dashboard is a news aggregator from reliable sources like Nasdaq, Yahoo Finance, and more. Each news item is tagged positive or negative. Very convenient. No need to search for news for every company. The platform gathers it all in one place. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! There's also a latest post section with updates from the Snowball Analytics community. Users share strategies, analysis, and opinions. It's a great way to learn from experienced investors and exchange ideas. The analytics section includes common, diversification, and dividends. It also covers growth, metrics, as well as report. Each provides specific insights into portfolio performance. Friends, the Common tab shows total value and key metrics. There's a detailed table for all holdings, including the number of shares, purchase price, and dividends. Risk is easy to manage thanks to a clear visual breakdown of asset allocation. A pie chart shows how your investments are spread out. Vanguard at 17%, JP Morgan Equity Premium second, and Apple at 15.08%. Detailed lists make it simple to spot anything that exceeds the recommended 15 to 20% range. You can also explore sectors and currencies to see your full composition. And mates, if you're on the investor's plan, there's an extra feature worth mentioning, the X-ray tool. It shows the real diversification of your portfolio by breaking ETFs down into their underlying holdings and lining them up next to your individual assets. This way, you can instantly spot hidden overlaps and concentration risks. Just keep in mind, for ETFs, Snowball displays the 50 largest underlying holdings. The Dividends tab gives a thorough look at income, perfect for those focused on passive returns. You can see dividend yield and charts for average annual growth, future payments, and more. Guys, tracking your growth over time is straightforward. You can follow monthly trends, check how individual holdings are performing, generate reports, and monitor all your key metrics. Folks, the portfolio section also includes holdings, transactions, and dividend calendar. Everything is fully laid out. We've already seen goals with charts. You can check cash, categories, and distributions. Tools include Rebalance, which helps determine which assets to buy or sell to restore target allocation. You enter a deposit, and the platform calculates everything. Top dividend stocks lets you find the best dividend-paying stocks and filter, showing dividend rank, yield, and 5-year growth. Friends, Portfolio Lab is an experimental tool for backtesting investment strategies on historical data. You can create a test version or copy your real one and see how it would have performed. Next, folks, find the dip shows assets that recently dropped relative to their average price. For example, Netflix. You can view others with technical data. There's also a US dividend payout calendar, showing schedules and payments. Guys, Snowball Analytics offers articles, analysis of popular stocks and funds, and public portfolios from various users. It's a great resource for understanding and improving your own holdings. Alright folks, that's a wrap. This platform truly makes managing your portfolio effortless. You get a clear view of all your investments, track performance, and uncover high-yield opportunities. The community adds even more value, offering insights and strategies you won't find anywhere else. You can start exploring right away, play around with the demo to get a feel for it, or link your real accounts to see all your assets in action. It's a great way to stay on top of your financial game and make smarter decisions. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.